To batch Bill.com API webhooks. You need to understand the basics of webhooks and how they work with the Bill.com API. Webhooks are callbacks made by the Bill.com API to a specified URL when a specific event occurs. Batching webhooks allows you to receive multiple notifications in a single callback, which can improve performance and reduce the number of requests made to your server. First, you need to create a Bill.com developer account and register for a client ID and client secret. This will give you access to the Bill.com API and allow you to start making requests. You will also need to set up a webhook endpoint on your server that can receive callbacks from the Bill.com API. To batch webhooks, you need to make a request to the Bill.com API to create a new webhook subscription. You will need to specify the event types you want to receive notifications for, as well as the callback URL that the Bill.com API will use to send notifications. You can also specify the batch size, which determines how many notifications will be included in each callback. For example, if you want to receive notifications for new invoices and payments, you would make a request to the Bill.com API to create a new webhook subscription with the event types set to invoice, created, and payment, created. You would also specify the callback URL and the batch size, such as 10 or 20 notifications per callback. Once you have created the webhook subscription, the Bill.com API will start sending notifications to your callback URL. Your server will need to be able to handle these notifications and process them accordingly. You can use the batch ID to track the notifications and ensure that you are processing them correctly. Best practices for batching Bill.com API webhooks include setting up a reliable webhook endpoint that can handle callbacks from the Bill.com API, implementing error handling to handle any errors that may occur, and using the batch ID to track notifications and ensure that you are processing them correctly. You should also monitor your webhook endpoint for any issues and adjust your batch size as needed to ensure optimal performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully batch Bill.com API webhooks and improve the performance and efficiency of your application. This will allow you to receive multiple notifications in a single callback, reducing the number of requests made to your server and improving overall performance.